Good morning, everybody. Michelle's having a girls' day today because Rick and I are having a lads' day out. We're going to see Damon, and I think Dan will be there at the field. So come along, let's have some fun. We're almost ready. We're almost ready. Last little, what would say? Last little
sorty outy.
Sort out. We got mince pies, fresh mince pies for the boys. And Rick's doing a bit of vlogging as well, so you can check that out on his channel.
Okay, so we're in the van. We've just got everything packed up and ready. I'm with Steve. We've left Michelle at home. She wants a day to herself, so we've
just been past an airbase, which we didn't get the name of, but there was a few sort of gypsy caravans, like there's beautiful old wooden caravans, and they were selling wood carvings of some sort, which is quite interesting. I think we're about half an hour away from Damon's field, and we're meeting another friend of Damon and Rick's, who I haven't met before.
We're just coming in Cirencester. Nice little town. This is a
Cirencester.
Yeah, it's an ancient Roman town. They've got a really cool little museum here, which I really ought to film one day. I think I did years ago.
Cirencester, Cheltenham, where the Cheltenham Cup is, and the ladies wear the pretty hats. Oh, little kid in the front.
Yeah, I saw that.
There's the Prince Albert. Nothing wrong with that name.
Oh,
keep going then.
It's not going to work, is it?
No. So here's familiar ground. This is where Michelle and I walked when we did the John O'Groats to Land's End walk. We came down this canal over here, and we're at Damon's. But it's horrendous. So the weather's picked up. The rain has stopped. The wind is still here though, but the rain has stopped, and we're nearing to our friend Damon's field, which is our stop for tonight. And good day.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, it's a windy day, but we're somewhere special today, and Damon is near the gate. So let's go and say hello and a good morning to them. This is a rest day for Michelle and I. We've got about 400 kilometers left to do to Land's End, and we wanted so much to come and visit these guys as we pass by their part of the world. So here they are. Say good morning, guys.
Oh, good morning.
Chef Damon is doing the full English. Well, Chef Damon, Chef Rick are doing us the full English. Yeah. Michelle and I
I'm just going to eat it.
sat in comfy chairs watching the action happen.
Which is that my man there, Damon?
This is why when you do Land's End to John O'Groats, or John O'Groats to Land's End, really, I highly recommend you do it in a camper van.
Yeah.
Forget the walking lark.
Yeah. Well, you know, worst case scenario, you could always get a van, and we'll do it up at my house. We'll do a van build.
I had thought about it, Rick.
How's it going?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. How are you?
Not too bad.
Merry Christmas. Dan, I haven't met before.
He's in the grotto.
All right.
The Clubhouse.
Look at his van. This is what the Clubhouse, right?
This is it's what Rick affectionately calls the Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. So if you're watching his channel, you'll see this is the advent calendar, and we're up to a sort of two-wheel. What is it? The final product
It's going to be a crawler,
icebreaker.
an RC crawler.
Yeah.
So it's for going over rocks and bits of wood and stuff.
So Damon's opening this every day up to Christmas, and you'll see the build as it sort of progressively opens, and he's also getting different little Christmas decorations out every day and just filling the van up with Christmas decoration. And just behind here somewhere is his Santa through the window, which is kind of cool. And that one you did the day before yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's a diorama, but there's a reindeer behind that as well.
Damon likes his Christmas.
I got one. That's Michelle's.
Oh, thank you, mate. Oh, beautiful.
You're the
I'm the bear.
Yeah, you're the bear, yeah.
So Damon's got us a lovely little present. I'm actually going to keep these and take them back because Michelle's got one as well.
So yeah, if you're going to need to watch this one over on Damon's channel. So
Yeah, and subscribe.
Oh, he's
go to Damon,
he's such a
subscribe.
media
I
holic.
want my 2,000 subscribers by Christmas.
you can tell we're all YouTubers, can't we? Every single one of us got a camera out now.
I've got 2 cameras out.
Oh, it's vegetarian, Damon.
So we've just done a little video with Damon. It's talking about Christmas memories, which you'll see on his channel, which will be it was a lot of fun. Well worth watching the video just to hear the 3 of us banging on about Christmas.
And the tinsel used to be really thin, didn't it, back then?
That's
It was
right.
just this
It
real
was.
thin
It was like
string.
anorexic tinsel, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Back in the day.
So Steve,
Yes,
over
mate.
to you.
Yes.
Christmas Eve, how did that go when you were
Christmas
young?
Eve was exciting. I think, like Dan said, we struggled. We were virtually pushed to bed. I think it was hard to sleep. So you'd really
I don't understand, because I used to be so keen to go to bed.
no keen. Yes, I think we were keen to go to bed, but too excited to go to sleep.
Yeah.
So you were sort of.
Oh, I never said I
hyper.
went to sleep.
And I've bought my homemade mince pies, which Michelle kindly made last night for Rick and I to bring. And yeah, we're going to have homemade mince meat with homemade mince pies, short crust pastry, unsweetened short crust pastry. Got a little bit of ice and sugar to dust over them. And yeah, we're going to have a little bit of Christmas spirit. So we're going to give those a little dusting of icing sugar over the top, just to make them look Christmassy.
Oh, this is Damon's little cinema thing. You got a
Copyright.
projector up there. There's a projector. And we're watching the Christmas Chronicles at the moment.
This little projector up here. It's cool, isn't it?
And lots of mince pies, as you I think I had 4 in the end, didn't I? Yeah.
I think you had 6.
4
Did I have
mince
6?
pies.
Probably 6.
Yeah.
Probably 6. Got a very fast pie hand, unfortunately. Slow metabolism, fast pie hand. But yeah, so I'm going to turn you around. We're going to say goodbye now.
It's been a great day meeting up with Damon and Dan. Haven't met Dan before, first time, lovely fella. And yeah, it's good to be back at the field. We've had mince pies, we've had a lot of frivolity, a lot of chatting. Just 3 hours or so, and now Rick and I are going to head back to see Michelle and yeah, spoil our piece. But a lot of fun, nice to see the boys. So we're all off.
Missed you, Michelle.
We had a lovely day.
Yeah, bye.
Been wonderful, and we're going to try and get back. Well, we're not going to. It's going to be dark on the drive back. Let's
definitely,
face
yeah.
it.
I think you've probably
yeah.
got about 20 minutes.
All right, take care, Damon.
Take care.
Love to Jen.
Lovely to see you. Thank you.
Take care, and we're Merry Christmas. We'll hopefully see you before Christmas.
You look after yourself.
And you.
We'll
Wanna
see
get
you
Sky.
very soon.
Definitely see you soon. And there you go, Damon. Thanks ever so much, mate. Thanks again,
This is
boys. It was
Sky.
a great afternoon.
Dan's
Great,
whippet.
great way
She's
to get started.
very
for Christmas,
beautiful.
And I'll speak to you all soon. I better take that whippet home, I suppose.
So we're now actually packing up from the lovely Damon's field. Now do check out Damon's channel. It's Nina the Ambulance Camper channel. I'll put a link down if I've got the name not exactly right, but check out Damon's channel. Of course, Rick is over here. Michelle and I are packing up the tent. It's been a blustery morning. It's been a wet, windy night, but we are going to be hitting the road on our last leg of this journey from John O'Groats to Land's End. Our next town or large city that we're near is Bristol, so to me that starts to sign the end of the journey. So Damon is leaving. There he goes. He's been our host for the last cheery boy, Dame. Cheery boy.
See you later.
Yeah, see you later, mate.
We'll see, I haven't got one of
good.
these posh electric ones yet.
Safe journey.
And you too.
Let's see him off. Let's make sure he leaves.